monkey man. Oh no. And so Monkey Man. Oh wait, she's coming back. No. Oh God, no. No.
You know there's gonna be music playing over this, right?
Oh no. No. Oh.
What? Okay, can you go get the baby?
Tell me when are you filming?
Yeah.
Okay. So right now we're preparing to shoot the first scene. We're going out into the woods. Right here I have Afro Baby. It's integral really to the plot. Anyway, we're going to be moving on. Alex, say hi.
Alex doesn't talk not much.
Do you want to say anything?
You don't talk much after the war.
Shooting, yes, ideas about filming that he's going to put onto the scene here. I have a fishing pole. It's stuck to my back, actually. We'll incorporate it into the scene.
Somehow.
Maybe I should go to the hospital. Nah. Tell me when it's set.
I feel wet my hand.
Say something. Okay.
You know, I'm sort of amazed that we got all the money to film this in Siberia.
What?
Yeah. Hey, you didn't know we're in Siberia, dude. That's where the plane took us.
We're going to Appleton, Wisconsin.
Oh my God, why are you always talking about Appleton, Wisconsin? I wanted to go to Bananaton. I always wanted to go to Bananaton.
Have you guys ever seen those videos where it's like Homer Simpson and Marge, and then they're like in Undertale or Minecraft, and then Homer's like, Marge, we're in Undertale.
We found this mysterious sign in the woods, but none of us know how to read its ancient text.
Oh, well,
I gave you the wig. No, not the afro, the wig.
Oh shit.
Hi. I thought I gave it to you. The wig? Oh, fuck, I thought we had everything. Oh wait, no, I got it. Dude, no! Don't. Okay. Again.
I feel like there should be a scene where, like, Monkey Man falls, the baby Monkey Man falls into the river.
No,
Instead of having it feel like Monkey Man actually drifting down the river, we just do a really cheesy shot of like someone holding Monkey Man's leg off camera and just dragging the baby Monkey Man.
No, hit behind.
You look like a...
Just and then when he's ready, and then I'm thinking like you walk halfway across the bridge and then we go over there and.
Tell no one. That's how you put a baby in it.
What are you doing? Stop. All right. Yes. Okay. So he'll be like on the ground. Alright, so you ready? You know what you're doing? Yeah. Alright, lay all that out. So you'll be wearing the monkey mask.
Isaac. Bad news.
What?
Monkey Man is filled with water again, so it might pee midway through the shot.
Alright, what
I'm going to toss it over, don't let it go over the bridge, okay?
Feeding,
climbing a tree.
Goal!
Dude, nice. Gabe, do you want to tell us about what happened to your foot? Gabe, what happened?
So, we did a controversial scene involving some bananas and the baby. And so there are one of two things in my shoe. It's banana, or there's a bit of baby in it.
Someone call the police, there's a woman in distress.
Can Bear Grylls just join the police force?
Can Bear Grylls
Try to keep up.
my
Looks like we've had a drug assault here. Gotcha.
Signs in there.
Maybe like from back here. This is actually
Behind the scenes.
Monkey! Do you want to bother doing like the straight on?
Don't do that. Dude, you just ruined the shot.
Wait, did you get a shot of Isaac's face though, like before?
Well, no, we're gonna have him there now. So it's like it pans, or it goes from the baby to Gabe and then back to Isaac. And it, yeah, you know what I mean.
How about we both? No, fucking.
Yep.
Okay.
Horatio, I knew him well. For was what the fuck is this? Bleep that so we can get the good YouTube money.
Yeah.
Isaac! You have learned the way. All monkeys can deflect game art from a young age. It's their most natural ability. Is what we do.
All about that ad rev. What?
Get it mailed to me yet, though.
You should.
I'm actually gonna save up and then get it mailed to me, and we can all go out to eat sometime.
That's
Tobacco free every, no smoking.
All right, let's see if my mom answers this time.
We beat my baby up in the woods.
Hey yo.
We be out here filming, yo.
Yay, my love has returned from the war.